Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the utilities that are available for terminal fun in Arch Linux. So in the Arco Linux, you have to open the Arch Linux tweak tool and there you have to go to the terminal fun section. So here a list of utilities are given. So you can use any two of the utilities at a time. You cannot use more than two, otherwise what will happen, it will use up the screen space and it will not look very good. So here you can see they already told us, once you have selected and deselected the utilities you want, please open a terminal to see how it looks. We recommend using not more than two utilities at the time due to screen real estate. Without Arco Linux repositories, only fastfetch, neofetch and screenfetch are available. So you have to have the Arco Linux repositories enabled. So I will just show you. These are the Arco Linux repositories. So you have to enable all except the testing. Testing also you can do, but that is at your risk. So you have to enable all the Arco Linux repositories. Then only all of this can be used. Without the Arco Linux repositories, only fastfetch, neofetch, and the screenfetch are available. So what we will do is we will check one by one. So let us enable the fastfetch. You see why it is not opening. Okay, so it is enabled. And what is LOL cat? Let us see. Now you have to open the terminal. Yes, look, it is working. So this is how the fast fetch will look. You can see it is showing us details regarding OS, host, kernel, uptime, packages. So if you remember in the last video, I told you we had reinstalled the 1706 packages using the packages section, where you can see here we could export the list of packages, import the list of packages, and then upgrade as well as install all the packages again. So that you can do, and that number of packages uh, is correctly matching the packages shown here on the terminal. This is the fast fetch terminal. You can see here icons, fonts, everything it is showing all correct data. Memory, disk, look, battery. Okay, only temperature is not there, but it looks very nice. Now what we will do is, what happens if we switch off the lolcat? Let us see. We will have to close this. Every time you change, you have to close the terminal, open again. Yes. So lolcat, you can see it is changing the color of the fonts. You can see here right now what is there here. It is also showing the GPU data. So two GPUs are there. While if you use the NVIDIA SMI, you will only see the NVIDIA graphics card, which I have made it default. The AMD Radeon card is not shown when using the NVIDIA SMI uh, command from the terminal. Okay, so now what I will do is, let us switch this off. We will switch this off. Okay, we will switch this off. Again, this. Now let us try the NeoFetch, how it looks. Let us see. This is how it looks. Very good data is shown. Okay, now what we'll do is we will switch this off. Let us see what happens. No, it will not affect immediately. You have to restart. Yes. So this looks very nice. So only coloration. LOL cat will only do the coloration of the uh, fonts, as well as some changes there. Just we will go back again to using LOL cat. Then again open. Yes. So here there is some little difference. Only this gap is there. So some changes will be there to the data. Otherwise, mostly it is coloration of the fonts displayed in the terminal. Okay. Okay. Now we will go with the screen fetch. Looks very nice. You can see here. Why it is showing integrated? Yes. Okay. This is only taken down. Okay. Then we will close this off. Okay. Again we will start. Yes. Okay, so this is it. Then we will switch this off. Okay, close this terminal. Now let us go with ALSI. Open the terminal again. So this is how it looks in ALSI. Okay, okay, so this is it. So what I will do is we can speed up this little bit. Close this. Let us use paleo fetch because I don't see much difference. All look similar only. Look, everything is similar only, not much difference. At least in the display, it looks very similar. So what we will do is we will just go with the this right left hand side toggles. We will not use lolcat, so it will speed up little bit. So here you can see when I use the fetch, it is just there is nothing to show. Just retoggle once. So I don't know. Fetch is not showing anything on the screen. Okay, maybe it will show at the bottom. Let us see. It might show up at the bottom of the terminal. Okay, so it is not showing up. It is not working. Okay. Now let us try hfetch. Okay, let's type this hfetch. Yes, now it is working. Okay, so we have to type the command to get the hfetch to work. So here you can see this is the data that is shown. Now what we will do is let us try with the fetch also. Fetch should also work like this only. You have to type the command fetch. Yes, it is working. You can see here. Now let us work with the hfetch. So it is more compact, you can see here, and it is also showing the temperature of the CPU, that is 66.5 degrees. Okay, so we are experiencing summers in India, so 66 degree is quite common. Ufetch, let us try Ufetch. Okay, Ufetch. This is also very compact, only minimal data is there in Ufetch. And what if we do the lolcat or the, so I think this will use the uh, appearance configuration of the fonts and the system. Yes, so fonts and system uh, data, it is using configuration to spruce up the fonts. Okay, now let us use uface arco. This is how it looks, very similar to ufetch only. Okay, now what we'll do is pfetch. Let us open pfetch. Let us see if it works. Yes, it is working. So here you can check out the differences. Now we will go with the system info. Let us try that. Sys info. Let us see what output it gives. Yes, so it is giving the output. It is showing the system information, username, name of the laptop, everything, the window manager, and I think this is the keyboard US keyboard layout. Okay, so I have to switch this off. Let me try again. Okay, not required to try again. Okay, what we will do is now we'll switch this on system info retro. We will go with this retro. It takes some time to come up. Yes, this is with some symbols. In system info, there were no symbols. So our icons, we can say here, some icons are shown. It looks little bit better. Then let us use the CPU fetch. So I am now going to use CPU fetch. Not found. Okay, let me try. Okay. C capital. No, it is not available. Okay, I have to restart this first. Okay, now it should work. No. Yes, now it is working. So I didn't like this. It looks little raw. It's not up to the mark of other utilities, terminal utilities. Okay. Now let us go with the high fetch. High fetch. Let us see what it does. Yes, it is showing the available presets. Choose one. So which we will use. Let us use the age, queer, gender, bisexual. Okay. Omnisexual. Let us use rainbow. We have to use the button one. Okay. Okay. Yes. So now it is using the preset rainbow to show the system data. You can see it here. This is the CPU, I think. What is exactly? Let me see. Color mode is RGB. Detected background color dark. Selected flag is rainbow. Let's adjust the color brightness. Okay. The colors might be little too dark for the dark mode. Which looks the best? We will go with the 57. 57%. Okay. Now let us choose the color arrangement. We can choose the standard, horizontal, vertical alignment. We will use with the horizontal. Let us go with the horizontal. Okay. So your choice. Select a fetch background. Neo fetch, fast fetch, Q. Let us use with QWQ. QWQ fetch because we are not use this. It is not available in this list. Let us use this. Yes. Okay. So you have to install this pip install it, or we can copy paste this. Copy. We'll paste this here. Paste. I think you have to use sudo. Let us see. Sudo. No, it is not available. So what we can do is we will have to run the command again. Fetch. Okay, fetch is not available. Okay. So fetch. Let us go with the fetch again. Fetch. Welcome. So the setup is now broken. We cannot see the fetch. Yes, what we can do is we will just toggle it off, close its terminal, and now we will again open the terminal, use fetch. Okay, so qw fetch. Okay, so pip install. Let me use this command again. Copy, paste. Okay, let us see. No, it is not working. So I think the fetch will not work because we had done the partial configuration. Now we cannot change it. Okay, let us go with the color scripts now, and we will close this once again. Open it up with the color scripts, and then we will use this color scripts. Okay, color. Okay, U is extra. We have to remove that U. Okay, color scripts. Okay, C should be capital. So this is also not working. So that's two. High fetch and color scripts is not. Color scripts is totally not working. While high fetch we had done a partial configuration, but QWQ fetch we could not install using the PIP method. So that's it. We have checked out all the utilities that are available in the Arch Linux tweak tool of Arco Linux. They are great utilities and they spice up your desktop. Please use them whenever you use your terminal. Also install those utilities. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.